you sure?
Yes!
Guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Someone's calling me.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the blind, deaf, and mute challenge. Yeah, baking challenge. So what we're doing is I'm gonna be deaf, so I'm gonna be listening to music.
I'm blind. I'm wearing this blindfold. And I got stuck with being mute. Because they dibs, the good ones. I have to put tape on my mouth. This is actually
So I gotta listen to music the whole time. So we're gonna be making cake from scratch because it wouldn't even be a challenge if it was like a thing. Yeah. Also, we're gonna be changing angles so you can actually see what we're doing.
What even kind of cake are we making? Do you even
Well,
have stuff
kind
to
of
make
feeling
cake?
plain. Actually, I don't know if I have chocolate chips. We should check. Oh, we have chocolate chips. That's weird.
No. What are you talking
Chocolate chips and cake.
No, you need cocoa powder, not chocolate chips.
Oh, is this it? Coconut sugar?
That's coconut sugar and cocoa powder. Do you have cocoa powder?
No.
Okay, I even know what it is, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna get started. Okay guys, so I just got my headphones on. I don't know how loud I'm talking right now because these are pretty like soundproof. We did Caitlin and it's really tight on her head. And now for the final part.
Wait, what was the camera? Here? My face.
It's here.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. We gotta do an X.
Why do we have to do an
Because
X?
it's more secure. Okay, shut up. Rest your face. Your face.
looks
So
funny.
it's gonna come on. Go ahead.
I need a minute to collect myself. Okay.
Okay. Hopefully you don't have breathing issues and you die. Oh, I can't hear anything. We need to heat the oven to 350. Bake. Yeah, start. Okay. We need 3 cups of flour. Open it!
Well,
What am I gonna
do?
Okay, open
Use my hand to shove it in? Into where? What are you
What?
putting into?
3 cups.
Is this a cup?
Yeah, wait, oh, what is this? What is this one? Oh,
I need a cup measure!
half a cup. Oh wait, use this. Use a cup. Use a cup on here. 3 cups, 3 cups.
I have to guess how full it is. What's disgusting cake? Is it full?
Caitlin!
What? Wait, my hand.
Me? You? Listen. You kill me. You. 4 letters. 4 words. First word. You. Third word. Here. You hear. Music. You hear music? Yeah, I hear music. Yeah. Oh, we need 3 cups. Did you do 3 cups? Okay, 3? Are you sure?
Yes!
Okay, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay. Salt. How much? 1/2 tablespoon. I think this is sugar or salt. Try it.
There's 1 sugar and 1 salt in there. I got
Wait, what?
and a sugary. What? What is that? Didn't taste it.
Wait, let me. You try it. Say that you try. Oh. What is that? It's both. Oh, this is salt. Try it.
Wait, where?
Caitlin!
I feel on my feet.
What do we do next? We mix? Okay. Okay, what's next? Beat 2 sticks of butter and sugar in a large
2
bowl.
sticks of butter.
We don't have sticks of butter, so we're gonna have to use like butter, like this.
Wait, 2 sticks.
We need 2 sticks of butter. What is the equivalent of that?
Ew,
One
it's
of me, yeah, wish I knew. We need 1 cup of butter. Look, scoop it in the butter.
Where's the butter? Oh. Wait, what? Oh.
Oh my god! Now we need salt. What? No? We need salt. Yeah, we do. What? Oh, sugar, I mean. 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Okay, did you put in the salt? I mean sugar? Okay. You need to mix it for about 3 minutes. Kaylin, you try mixing it. Here's the mixer, here.
Is it working?
Oh, be careful, okay. It's all mixing into one. Wait, here.
Is it done? Is this all we add in? Wait, put it in yes or no? If it's all we add in. Is this it? Okay, thank God. I want to taste it. Should I taste it?
You have stewed milk on your face!
Milk? We didn't even put in milk!
It was butter! She had butter on her face!
Ew!
We need a beaten egg.
Can I crack the egg?
We need a beaten egg!
Can I crack?
Yeah, 4 large eggs. Okay.
I'm so scared.
Don't make a mess.
I won't.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Oh my god!
Oops. Told you I'm a pro. I really want to crush this.
How much vanilla? 1 tablespoon. It smells good. Can you smell? Oh wait. I think we have to mix in the flour. Yeah. Okay, alternating with the milk. Okay. What is this? Just playing something. I don't know what it is though. What? Pour some of the flour in here. Only a little bit. Okay. Put some milk in it here. Wait, oh, don't put all, okay, go. Okay. That's good. And then let's put more flour.
This smells delicious.
Okay guys, so Sadie is getting pans for us. We're gonna line it with parchment paper. Wait, where's the pan?
This.
This is the cake batter. Look how good it looks.
And then put butter. You take this on the bottom and butter on the edge.
Butter.
Better be doing that right. I have no idea what's
Okay.
happening right now. Why'd you put butter on the parchment paper?
Then, so am I loud? Can you hear this? Can you hear this? And then we're gonna pour the rest in. Hold it there. Okay, hold it. Yeah, hold it. Okay.
I'm holding it.
Okay. Now we're gonna put them in the oven. Okay, now they're in the oven. We're gonna come back in 30 minutes. Say bye, guys. Guys, I've never been able to like not. There's lines on her face.
Brooklyn, you're acting stupid. Some of the things, like, how could you not pick up on what
I
was
did
saying?
not understand what you were saying sometimes. We took one of the cakes out. I'll show you guys in a second. We are gonna ice the cakes, but we need to go get icing because we're not gonna make it because we need like 2 different icings. So I'll show you guys what it looks like after we ice the cakes, and Rachel's gonna be here too by the time we do that. That's what one of the cakes look like.
Cake number 1.
For now, we're like making them. And
Yeah.
Sadie's in the corner.
Hi guys.
Rachel's here. I'll show you guys what the cake looks like when we're
Take
done
it there.
decorating. We got 2 things of icing and some sprinkles. Okay, so this is what the cake looks like. It's pretty good, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like,
Smash that like button.
smash the like button, and I'll see you guys the next time I want to film.
Bye.
Hey guys!
Welcome to this vlog. That's Sadie. She's gonna kill us for wasting this storage. Safe to say after me you peeked. Okay, so it's a bit crooked.